Are you going to drive a rally anytime soon? Then download Rallycheck before your departure. Go to the Google Play Store or the App Store. Type in Rallycheck in one word and then click Search. The app appears in your search results. Click Download. The app is now automatically downloaded. Click Open as the download is successful. Click Authorize Rallycheck using the app. If you are using the app for the first time, you must register. Click Register. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Fill in your password and click Next Step. Your country will be automatically selected. If not, select the correct country. Fill in your mobile number without the first zero, then click Next Step. You will have to fill in a verification code. You have received this verification code by text message. Fill in the verification code you received by text message here and click Verify. Verification through your mobile has been successful. Now proceed with your email. Go to your email on your device and verify your Rallycheck account by clicking Verify my account. Your verification by email is now successful. Hold on for one more minute. You will be able to start using the Rallycheck app once you signed up and registered for participating in a rally. Watch the instructions video with tips and tricks before using the Rallycheck app during a rally. This is a must, as this is very useful before you start using the app. For more information on the Rallycheck app, please go to www.rallycheck.com or contact us at info@rallycheck.com.